Guys, and welcome back to another episode of Lockdown Videos. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also follow us on all our social media pages. Today we are going to be learning how to make this beautiful balloon garland. If you are ready, let's just get right into the video. So as usual, I'll be needing our electric balloon pump and some balloons for this tutorial. So to begin, we'll be blowing our balloons in pairs and turning them into double balloons. In case you don't know what a double balloon is, you can visit our previous videos to learn. And also I'll be leaving the link to those videos in the description box below. So as you can see, I'm blowing my balloons in pairs and turning them into double balloons. Making a double balloon is quite simple. You just have to blow the balloons and tie it. Then that's it. You have your double balloon. Simple, right? So as you can see, these are double balloons I've made so far. And I'm still blowing more because I'll be needing a lot for this garland. Unfortunately, I didn't get the exact number I'll be needing, but next time I'll make sure to count and let you know the exact number of balloons I used. So that, as you can see, that is the double balloon. This is a very simple tutorial, so if you pay attention, you'll be able to do a garland in no time. So I'm done blowing my balloons. I'm taking my fish line. That's what I'll be using to tie the balloons to make the garland. So I took a double balloon and I've taken another double balloon. I'll be tying it to the one on the table, as you can see. So I press firmly on the double balloon on the table. Then I use my fish line to tie the balloon around. So this makes the balloon very firm and unable to move. So I keep adding more double balloons to make the garland. As you can see in the video, when I pick a double balloon, I press it firmly inside the garland I'm making. Then I use my fish line to go around it, forming a letter 8 kind of. So I do this in order to make the garland very firm. Then I keep adding more of the double balloons. The more you add the double balloons, the bigger and longer the garland becomes. So depending on how long you want your garland or the purpose of the garland, that's when you add more of the double balloons. So I'm still adding my double balloons and using my fish line to tighten it. So as you can see, I've made quite a lot of it now. Right now my garland is almost done, but I'm still adding more of the double balloons because I really need it to be very long because of what I'm using it for. So I keep adding till I feel it's long enough. Then I stop adding the double balloons. So as you can see, right now I think my garland is done. It's long enough and it's looking beautiful. So to tighten the ends or to make the ends firm, I'm using the fish line to go around some of the balloons I have to make it more firm in order for it not to remove. So here you are, I'm done with my garland. I'll be fixing the garland on the mesh for you to see how it looks like when it's done. So I'll be tying the garland on the mesh using the same fish line. So I'll be tying it to the corners of the mesh as seen in the video. Then I'll be finishing it off with my Love 4 balloon. So this is the finished look. So you can use this garland for all your event types and especially as backdrop for pictures. If you think this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share to all your social media pages. Thank you for watching and see you on another video. Bye.